how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference between working on iPhone and working on Android. In this case, I'm working on Android, but as I said, it doesn't matter. The first thing what you can do to take off and try to fix that problem, it is to check over or test your internet speedness setlab. Go on your browser and then simply type for internet speed test. Just go for internet speed test, and just go speed test by Ookla. This is the best size selection, which is so important to know it, because speed test by Ookla, it is also verified and play protect by the system. Also you can get it on your Google Play Store. Just go on that site, which is Go, and then you'll need to wait some time to get to the full site of this, on all of that stuff to get that speedness. And after you got the Linux selection, which will be, I think, 21, but we'll see. And it's not 21, it's more than 25. And it was 26. And if it's right now I need to tell you that if you have lower than 22, that means that you have a bad internet connection. But if you have more than 22, you have a good internet connection. And also if you have more than 25, you have a very, very good internet connection. The next thing what you can do after you check your speedness on your internet, you need to get up from here and simply you need to go to your Google Play Store, and then you can check over if you have any updates for the get to the latest version of your Instagram. Or in this case, as you can see, I don't have any option right here with a green light session, which is called update, because I have the latest version on it. Also, as I said, if you go on into your settings on your phone, just go on it and simply go applications. On the search box, without wasting any time, you're gonna type Instagram and just go for that application. And right from there, guys, you can simply uninstall it and then reinstall it back, the application, which will take you to the main point. But if you have an iPhone, you can simply go offload application, in which it's gonna take you the main point and the main step, but automatically by going offloading application.